Hello everyone, welcome to Mindster's MiGrocery Backend app. For accessing the backend, the first step is to log in by entering the username and password. Once the username and password is entered and authenticated, you will be redirected to the backend dashboard section. The top section of the dashboard will give you an overall summary of your present position, like the total orders you have done, total sales revenue, total customers, and the number of people online currently. Moving down, you can see the sales analytics table, which will give you a graphical representation of orders versus customers. And the last section of the dashboard will be latest orders, which will give you information about your recent orders. You will be able to find information such as order ID, customer name, status of that order, date of order, and total amount. On the far right side of each order, you can find an I button. When you click on the I button, you will be provided with the detailed information about that particular order. This includes details like the products in that order, delivery address, the status of the order, etc. So that's all about the dashboard section. Next, let us move on to an important section called the catalog section. There are several subsections under the catalog section. In this video, we will be focusing on two subsections, categories and products. First, let us see the categories subsection. It is intended to reduce the complexity of searching for products by dividing them into different categories. Each category can be split into three levels. The top level is the parent category, under that is the subcategory, and the last level is the child category. For creating a new category, you have an Add Category option, which is denoted by a plus symbol that you can find on the top right corner. When you click on the plus symbol, a form will get loaded. In this form, you need to enter the details of the new category, like category name, category description, meta tag, and whether it is a parent category or a subcategory. If it is a parent category, you have to choose the option None, otherwise you can choose the relevant subcategory. You can also choose the store for your new category. If you have multiple stores, tick the checkbox or mention the appropriate stores. And you also need to add a corresponding image of your category. Once you have filled in all the details, you can save the new category using the Save button at the top right corner. And you also have an option to cancel in case you don't want to save. Also, in the category section, if you want to remove any category, you can select it and press the Delete button on the top right. So that is all about the category subsection. Now let us move on to the product subsection. In the product section, the admin can view all the products. Whatever products have been added to the backend panel will get listed in the admin panel in product lists. The top part of the product list page gives the admin the option to search a product by a product name, price, status, model, quantity, and the image status. Moving down, you can see how the products are listed. Each product will have a product image, name, model, and price. You can add two prices for a product. One is the special price and other is the MRP. You can also see the quantity of product that is in stock from here. You also have an option to enable or disable any product easily by editing from here. For adding a new product from the admin panel, you can click on the plus icon on the top right corner. When you click on the Add New, you will see a form that you have to fill. Here, you have to enter general details like product name, description, meta tag, and in the data, you can add product models, price of the product, quantity, and availability. In the Links tab, you can add details like manufacturer and categories. Once you fill all the details of the new products in the various tabs, you can save this new product into your product list by clicking on the Save button. So that is all about the product subsection.